Hey guys, it's Rage. So today we're going to check out a brand new set of keycaps that just landed in the Scan Studio, and it's the Corsair PBT Double Shot Pro keycaps. So these keycaps are a full set of Cherry MX keys. They are double shot, which means that the legend inside the keycap is really strong. And also it's able to provide good luminosity for the keys on top. So your WASD, your shift, your space, things like that. So these are in a brilliant red color. They're actually called Origin Red, which I think is really cool. So of course you get a full set of keycaps for the entire keyboard. You get the applicator, which you use to assemble and disassemble the keycaps. Super simple to do. And you also get these sets of O-rings. Now these O-rings go inside the key in order to dampen the sound. So they don't make them silent, but they do lessen the noise and lessen the click. So if you prefer a bit of a dampened sound, you're going to use these. So this is everything that you get inside of the box, and the application is really, really simple. So why don't I show you? So I've picked out a couple of caps to change, WASD and the arrow keys, because that's going to make it look pretty good. Now all I need is a keyboard. So, oh, thanks for that. So keyboard, keycaps, handy applicator. Let's give it a whirl. So it's very simple to do. All you get is the key applicator. You press it in, wait for the click, pull it back out, simple as that. Now, to get them on, it's pretty simple. You don't need the applicator for that. You just simply pop it on. But I thought I would struggle with my nails because they're particularly long, and it's not actually an issue whatsoever. So if you have long nails, don't worry, you'll still be able to do it. What I'm going to do for two of the keycaps in the WASD area though, is I'm going to add the O-rings, the dampeners, just to see whether or not I can tell the difference between the ones that I have on and the ones that I don't. It's just a nice little feature to have, so if you do want to add it on, you can. So I've got them all on now, nice and easy, but let's see if we can hear the difference between the sound dampening ones and the non-sound dampening ones. So like I said, it doesn't make the keys silent, but it does dampen the sound just a little bit more, reduces that click. And if you use the dampening O-rings across the entire keyboard, it would definitely make more of a difference. It would be kind of useful if you don't really like the sound of the clicks, or maybe you're a streamer or a content creator and you don't really want that clickiness coming through your mic all the time. Very useful to add. So why would you use these keycaps? Well, you may think that they're quite gimmicky, and well, yeah, they are. At the end of the day, they're more aesthetically pleasing than anything, but there can be more of a useful thing behind it. I mean, if you were able to highlight keys physically in front of you, think of the different ways that you can take advantage of that. So things like, for example, your ultimate in Overwatch, if you have a physical button replacement, or maybe if you have different spells macroed on your keyboard for World of Warcraft, you can highlight individual spells or actions that is unique to you. Or what about editing? Say, for example, you can highlight certain buttons that you use in Photoshop, certain shortcuts in Premiere Pro. You're able to make a physical identification for a key or a shortcut to remember. Muscle memory goes a really long way, but if you have keycaps with designated colors, then it'll actually give you something visual to remember it by. And of course, we don't just have it in Origin Red, they also come in a range of different colors. We've got Arctic White, Elgato Blue, Mint Green, Rogue Pink, and Onyx Black. So there we have it. They're the Corsair PBT Double Shot Pro keycaps. They're a lot of fun, they're aesthetically pleasing, and they're just a great addition to your setup. They're also only 30 quid, so a great present for a gamer that you know, or maybe just a cheeky gift for yourself. Maybe pick up a couple and see what crazy designs you can create. Let us know. And of course, we've got them on our website at scan.co.uk, so you can browse the full range there. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!